Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make public videos on TikTok. Tap the plus button, record or upload your clip, then choose public in the visibility settings. Make sure sounds and duet settings match your goals. Check your captions and hashtags for discoverability and remove any location or privacy data if needed. Preview the video, adjust cover and captions, and post when ready with confidence and consistency to build an audience. Privacy settings control who sees your videos, so double-check them before posting. Public opens your content to the full platform and potential new followers. Friends limits engagement to people you follow back, while private keeps videos hidden from others. Duet and stitch permissions let creators remix your work, so toggle them based on comfort with collaboration. Always preview the final settings and captions to avoid accidental exposure of personal details. Optimizing your public videos helps them reach more people, so start with a compelling hook in the first 3 seconds. Choose a clean, eye-catching cover image that represents the video content. Add a few targeted hashtags and a concise caption to guide viewers and the algorithm. Post consistently and respond to comments quickly to boost engagement signals. Small tweaks to timing, thumbnails, and interaction can make a big difference over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.